Starting around the 7th of May 2023, Axie limitlessness generally is exchanging at $7.37 in term of its USD rate, with the value change of 0.07% in absolute most recent 1 hour in a quite huge manner. Axie in a real sense has a sort of all-out market cap of $858,575,492, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $21,360,361, which generally is genuinely huge. This truly makes Axie vastness genuinely positioning at 57 in the cryptographic money market, which sort of is very critical. In the event that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what in every practical sense is the Axie vastness cost expectation end of 2023. What will Axie limitlessness certainly be worth in 2023, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking? Is Axie boundlessness a kind of wise speculation or kind of worth purchasing in 2023, which really is genuinely huge? Will Axie cost for the most part outperform its unequaled high, which generally is very critical? These certainly are our Axie vastness cost expectations for Axie's future. Axie boundlessness value forecast 2023, which in a real sense is very huge. As per the Axie limitlessness estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the Axie cost explicitly is supposed to commonly cross an extremely normal value level of $9.67. The normal pretty least value worth of Axie boundlessness toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to in a real sense be $9.37 in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, Axie can by and large arrive at an extremely greatest value level of $11.03. Showing how Axie in every way that really matters has a truly complete market cap of $858,575,492, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $21,360,361, which especially is genuinely critical. Axie limitlessness value estimate May 2023. The really normal cost of Axie boundlessness could fundamentally go to $8.02 toward the finish of May 2023. Axie could especially be exchanging around an essentially greatest worth of $8.25, with the fundamentally least expected cost of $7.26 in an especially significant manner. Axie value gauge June 2023. The Axie limitlessness estimate for June 2023 expects that the Axie may essentially arrive at a truly most extreme worth of $8.57, with a truly least cost of around $7.88 in an unobtrusive manner. Discussing the especially normal value, Axie can especially stretch around $8.26 for June, which generally is genuinely critical. Axie vastness value figure July 2023. The normal cost of Axie limitlessness could truly go to $8.43 toward the finish of July 2023, showing how might Axie cost truly outperform its unsurpassed high in a quite huge manner. Axie could truly be exchanging around a greatest worth of $8.99, with the by and large least expected cost of $8.05, which especially is genuinely critical. Axie boundlessness value conjecture August 2023. The especially normal cost of Axie limitlessness could for the most part go to $8.60 toward the finish of August 2023, showing that Axie vastness value gauge August 2023. The normal cost of Axie boundlessness could in every practical sense go to $8.60 toward the finish of August 2023, which sort of is very critical. Axie could in every way that really matters be exchanging around a genuinely most extreme worth of $9.41, with the truly least expected cost of $8.29. Axie endlessness value expectation September 2023. Axie boundlessness cost in every practical sense is supposed to especially reach between $8.56 to $9.75 in September 2023, while the truly normal cost of Axie for the September truly remains around $8.94. Axie vastness value figure October 2023. In October 2023, the really greatest cost for Axie limitlessness could basically stretch around $10.20, which truly is very critical. Moreover, the minimum cost of Axie in October 2023 in every way that really matters is $8.74, with a genuinely normal cost of $9.12, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Axie value estimate November 2023. With respect to November 2023, Axie limitlessness basically is supposed to generally arrive at an exceptionally least value worth of $9 in an unpretentious manner. The Axie cost could truly arrive at an especially greatest cost of $10.56, with the extremely normal cost around $9.30, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. Axie Limitlessness Value Figure December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Axie Endlessness basically is in a real sense anticipated to truly arrive at a for the most part normal cost of $9.67, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $11.03 and a fundamentally least of $9.37, which is genuinely critical. Axie Endlessness fundamentally passed value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto basically has been somewhat diminished by 2.29% in its truly current worth, or so they really thought. Assuming that we sort of look at the very current market cap of the Axie with yesterday's, you can fundamentally see that the market cap by and large is likewise down in a really significant manner. Axie Endlessness, all things considered, is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with genuinely other crypto coins. Most certainly further appearance how Axie Boundlessness Value Expectation 2023 in an unpretentious way. The Axie for the most part is down to nearly 6.74% in the by and large most recent 7 days, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. The coin in a real sense is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for exceptionally beyond couple of days. The coin could for the most part have major areas of strength for really at the same time. We don't sort of figure that it would a productive resource in extremely present moment, which truly is very huge. Inside the kind of most recent 1 month, the cost of Axie by and large diminished by 17.415%, killing an incredible normal amount of $1.55 from its certainly current worth in an unobtrusive manner. This unexpected down sort of implies that the coin for the most part is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can commonly be a sort of good sort of purchase, a valuable open door for truly fast speculation, or so they really thought. The 90 days cost change by and large is near 17.74%, and the cost explicitly flowed from a genuinely least genuinely normal cost of $8.55 to greatest genuinely normal cost of $9.54 in the sort of beyond 90 days, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. In sort of most recent 4 months, Axie vastness has shown a developing pattern, which truly is very critical. Consequently, we for the most part feel that comparable pieces of the market by and large were very famous at that period, or so they especially thought. As per the in every way that really matters, most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Axie Endlessness truly is expanded from 4 months, which truly is genuinely critical. The exchanging volume comprises an imperative job in its cost in a for the most part significant manner. The coin is up by 6.44% with the fundamentally most extreme in every way that really matters. Normal cost of the coin essentially was around $7.01, and the all things considered, least genuinely normal cost of essentially was around $6.62 in genuinely beyond 4 months, showing the way the Axie could be exchanging around a fundamentally greatest worth of $8.99 with the especially least expected cost of $8.05. Axie Boundlessness Value Conjecture 2023 FAQs. What will by and large be Axie Endlessness really worth in 2023? The Axie cost basically is determined to arrive at an especially most extreme degree of $11.03 with truly least cost of $9.37 toward the finish of 2023 in a truly significant manner. Does Axie Limitlessness sort of have a future in an unpretentious manner? As far as value, Axie Limitlessness generally has a remarkable really potential to arrive at new levels in a sort of significant manner for the most part. It in every practical sense is conjecture that Axie will increment in esteem in an